both academic and extracurricular activities. So this is one of the academic activities that the district was prepared for the primary level and the secondary level as well. So Faleata College won the secondary level competition, and Vaimea Primary School, they are all from Faleata District, and the name of the Lord should be glorified for all these achievements.
Because the words were, we were told by the ministry about the words, where they get the words from. Plus, all the words that in the curriculum, in each subject, those words will be coming in there.
By looking at those schools that we've competed against with.
Yeah.
So we competed against Samoa College. It's a big and high-ranking college.
Yeah.
And we defeated, and so we defended our title.
It's a milestone for the district. It raises the morale of students. It gives them the encouragement that they have the same opportunity, they have the same accessibility with all other private missions and all other government primary schools and secondary school in the island. So it's a marvelous achievement for them, but it promotes their level of interest, and it gives them an encouragement that they can achieve high.